Okay, so it's supposed to be spring, and look what's happening in my kids' garden. There's ice falling down. This what happened last week, and it was so crazy and unexpected, even for here in Toronto, Canada. Look here. Every one of the branches on the tree is completely covered with ice. And we've had situations like this in winter before, but not in spring. It's crazy. And I have arugula and mustard green here that we actually planted inside on time. Like, we didn't do this way too early for our weather, but look what happened. We couldn't plant them outside in time because of the crazy weather, and they're bolting out into flowers. These poor things. They think they're dying because they don't have enough space. What happened, Nikita? What's happening here? What's happening? Look at the little flowers. Look at the little flowers. Why do you think there's flowers? Nikita?
Are they getting sick?
They're not getting sick. They're thinking that they will soon die. That's why they're going into flower, because they want to make babies. Seeds.
Are these babies?
They're flowers, honey. Right? They're flowers, and then they will turn into seeds. But why so early? Why do you think so early? Look at the root systems. Can you see the root systems?
Why is there no...
They went down and they came out here a little bit, and they went up again because they needed more soil. We had to. Listening to me, honey? Nikita?
Yes, I am. And look, there's moss over there.
Yeah, even over here. Look at that. Even the arugula is going to flower. It's bolting.
What? Where?
It's too warm. It was too warm under the light for it, and it didn't have enough soil to grow better. And we couldn't put them outside because the winter, although it's officially spring, but the winter is not
it's spring? I didn't know that.
Yeah, yes, you did. Remember, 21st of March was spring actually started officially.
Yeah, that was a holiday.
But we had an ice storm last week, so we couldn't get these planted outside in time. So unfortunately, these are dying.
Don't say the word die.
Don't say the word dying? Well, they are dying, honey. Because look, at least they think they're dying because they're going to flower. But that's fine. You know what we're going to do? You know what we're going to do?
We're going to put the flowers on our heads to make us look pretty.
Not a bad idea, but what we're going to do, we're going to try to save these. We're going to plant them in a bigger pot, although we still can't put them outside. It's still snowing. And then, look at me. Look at me. Then we're going to plant a new batch. Yeah, I know. These are not going to give us mustard green leaves anymore or arugula leaves anymore.
Aren't they already mustard?
But maybe they will give us seeds. Who knows? We'll see. Okay?
Well, that'll be interesting. Maybe they'll give us flowers for our heads.
Yeah, bigger flowers,
so
maybe.
But maybe they'll be bigger to go on our heads because these are so tiny.
Yeah, they're
tiny. Can I pick one and put it on my head?
Yeah, you can. That's too small.
Doesn't matter.
But you know what? In order for these to actually give us good seeds.
Ta-da!
Oh, that's pretty.
Can I see it in the mirror?
Yeah, go see it in the mirror. But you know what? For these to actually give us good, viable seeds, we still have to plant them in a bigger pot with more soil. Okay? So as you can see, I brought these out in the kitchen, and I put them in front of the window so that they can get some real sunlight. And look, the weather is nice, so we can soon plant these outside. My kids are so excited and can't wait to get out.